Starring, directed, and financed by Danish sensation Connie Rasmussen. She is the Red Dragon.
We got lucky. They don't chase you after a mile, they don't chase you. It's 2 miles. Hang on.
Look, lady, I only speak 2 languages, English and bad English.
Run an ID.
Now, don't get me wrong, I'm all for conversation, but maybe you could just shut up for a minute.
I get nothing, he's got a scan block.
He's a car thief. Blast him.
Well, what you did to piss these guys off. But they are really pissed off. Hold on!
Fuel systems go. ICC-4 go. Transfer. Retraction underway and on schedule.